One
Died.
How did he die?
Ways.
What did you do?
You cannot lose yourself out of this again, Penelope. Ever since last time.
Hey, you don't have your glasses on anymore.
Don't change subject. You like my contacts though?
Yeah.
I ate this like Chinese mustard that's like green, looks like guacamole. And when I ate it, my sinuses cleared up.
I